How to add auto captions on Instagram Reels. So the first step is by opening your Instagram app and then go to your profile right here and choose Reels right here. And then choose the reel that you want, for example, this one. What you're going to do now is to click on these three dots right here, click on Manage, click on Edit, and then click on Advanced Settings. So the process is the same with, for example, you are going to upload a new reel or make a new reel. Make sure to click on Advanced Setting before you click on Done or Upload. So go ahead and click on Advanced Settings, and under Accessibility, make sure to turn on Show Captions right here. So click on the toggle button, and the toggle button should turn blue and not gray. So now you may now go back, click on Done found on the upper right corner, wait for it to load, and then your video now should have a captions. So that's it. That's how you can add auto captions on Instagram Reel.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.